What's good everyone, my name is Andy and today I'm here to show you guys the new Canon RF24 1.8. When I'm out shooting, having a fast lens on me at all times is a priority, especially at night. These shots were all handheld at 60 frames per second. The optical image stabilizer helped minimize the camera shake to make it look super smooth. 24mm gives you a wide variety of shots, whether you're into landscapes or even stepping in to grab a portrait. I pulled up to the barbershop to meet up with AJ to show y'all some of the benefits of shooting at 1.8. If you experiment with your foreground, you can really get shots that show off that shallow depth of field. I also used this lens to grab some macro shots. After getting some fresh air in the outdoors, we made our way back to the city. What I really appreciated about this lens was how low key it was. And after trying out some macro video, I wanted to make sure I tried out some macro photography. And for this final scene, we made our way over to Summit 1 Vanderbilt to catch some fireworks. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I almost forgot to mention that I paired this 24 with the Canon EOS R6, and together they were the perfect combo.